What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. Oh my God. Still a little tight in there.
Oh yeah.
Right in there too.
Yeah, that hurt.
Just pull on the low back.
Initially, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Not too much going on with the mid back and upper back, right?
No, not really, yeah.
Go ahead and lift up your chin. Good right there. Just let it relax. Good. Same thing. Go and just relax right under your chin. Let that head relax. There you go. Tight that way. Good. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and get you to flip on your back. Do you want me to bring the table up? Might be easier for you.
No, I can get out.
You sure?
Yeah.
It'd be better on your back. Alright, and we'll have you lay flat on your back. No soreness or anything after the last one?
With the cracks?
Yeah. Any neck soreness or anything?
No.
No? Okay. Any headaches or anything?
Nope.
No. You can cross your hands, yeah, just over your stomach. I mean, that's pretty good. A little tightness here and there. Just let it fall, just let it rise. There you go. Let it go, let it go. There, good. Same thing on this side, let it go. Good. Alright, good. Alright, we're gonna head over there. I'll do your low back. Can I help you up?
Yeah.
Grab my elbow here. There you go. Do you have a decent setup at home for work?
It's okay. We have a 3-bed, 2-bath.
Seems like good enough.
Yeah, I mean, 3 kids, yeah.
Just fall down. Good. That went super easy. Easier than last time.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna get your head down here. So this one's straight. This one down. There you go. Tuck underneath a little bit. This one. There we go. Just let that fall down. There. Good. Look how easy those went.
Yeah.
Hips are opening up good. Alright, go ahead and get up. I'm actually gonna have you go flat on your back right here. So head down here, flat on your back. So double check one more thing. Cross your arms over like that. I don't think it was that bad, but Alright, cool. Okay, go ahead and get up for me. Alright, I'm gonna have you just walk back and forth right here. Your hoops went really easy this time.
Yeah.
Alright. How are you feeling?
Good.
Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Alright. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna do a decompression adjustment with you too.
Okay.
So I have you lay on your back. Right here. Head's gonna go down there and legs are gonna go up over there. You're gonna lay on your back. On your back. I don't think I'm very good at giving directions because
No, I'm not good at listening either. So.
no, it's not just you. It's everybody, so it has to be me. Did we do this last time?
No.
Lift up your head. So feel a little traction, so a little stretch, and then we're going to do a little thrust through that stretch, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You feel it down your low back at all? Like just pulling a little bit? Take the pressure off?
A little. Yeah.
A little?
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Don't forget to breathe. Keep breathing. There you go. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Okay, just lay there, relax, 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 relax. It's a lot at first.
Yeah.
He's still connected, so that's good.
Okay.
Alright, when you're ready, we'll go ahead and get you up.
Okay.
Take this off from underneath you. Alright. Yes. Alright, go ahead and just walk back and forth right there for me. Definitely standing straighter than you were the last time you were in here.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, how are we feeling?
Good.
Okay?
Yep.
Alright, so go home and ice. Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the ystrap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.